In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to pin a post on X. Pinning a post on X can be a great way to highlight important announcements, memorable content, or newsworthy updates on your profile. This feature ensures that the pinned post remains visible at the top of your profile for as long as you want. And here's how to do it. 1. Launch the X app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Tap on Profile to view your profile page. Swipe to find the post you want to pin at the top of your profile. Tap the More symbol, which are 3 dots at the top right corner of your post. And from the Options menu, select Pin to your profile. Confirm the action by tapping Pin in the pop-up message. And now you can easily pin posts from your own profile. There is no option to pin someone else's post directly. And that's it, guys. To pin someone else's post indirectly, you can take a screenshot of the post, publish the screenshot on your profile, and then pin your own post. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.